mathematician ordered everyone to find zero. After a long search, they finally found zero. Then the mathematician asked, "Why are you hiding?" Then Zero started crying and said in a broken voice, "I am zero. According to maths, I am not one. It hurts me a lot." The mathematician called number 1 to stand in front of zero and asked,
What is the value of this number?
all the numbers started shouting. And the mathematician called one more zero, then asked,
What is the value of this number?
all the numbers started shouting.
You see zero. Alone, you may feel like nothing. But when you join others, you make them 10 times bigger. You are very important. Without you, we cannot make 10, 20, 100 or 1000.
All the numbers started shouting. Thank you, ma'am, for making me realize my worth. The mathematician proved if zero is placed beside any number, its value will increase. Then zero understood its value and became very happy. Let me conclude my story with this precious moral.
We should not ignore anyone or anything in this world. Everyone has value.
Today, I would like to speak few words about our teachers. Teachers are the guiding light of the student, society. A teacher plants the seed of knowledge, values and discipline that continues to grow throughout the student's life.
Of ours are celebrating their birthday. Let's all wish them by singing the birthday song.
Today, as you all noticed in the kindergarten assembly, our dear special congratulations and very happy and proud of each one of you. You all performed beautifully today, and I congratulate all teachers for their